Your body has a remarkable ability to communicate when something is amiss, and paying attention to these signals is crucial for maintaining good health. Here's a detailed summary of 18 signs that your body may be trying to tell you something is wrong. Number 1. Persistent fatigue. Unexplained and prolonged fatigue, even with adequate rest, can be a sign of various health issues, including anemia, thyroid disorders, or chronic fatigue syndrome. Number 2. Changes in urination. Alterations in the frequency, color, or smell of urine may indicate kidney problems, dehydration, or urinary tract infections. Number 3. Unexplained weight changes. Sudden and unexplained weight loss or gain could be indicative of metabolic issues, thyroid dysfunction, or underlying digestive problems. Number 4. Skin changes. Unusual changes in the skin, such as new moles, discoloration, or persistent rashes, may signal dermatological issues or, in some cases, underlying internal health concerns. Number 5. Digestive discomfort. Persistent digestive issues like bloating, constipation, or diarrhea may point to conditions such as irritable bowel syndrome, inflammatory bowel disease, or food intolerances. Number 6. Chronic pain. Long-lasting or recurrent pain in specific areas of the body may be a sign of underlying conditions, including arthritis, nerve issues, or musculoskeletal disorders. Number 7. Irregular sleep patterns. Disruptions in sleep patterns, whether it's insomnia or excessive sleepiness, can be indicative of stress, sleep disorders, or underlying mental health issues. Number 8. Changes in appetite. Significant changes in appetite, such as sudden loss of interest in food or constant cravings, may be linked to emotional well-being or underlying health problems. Number 9. Frequent infections. Repeated or persistent infections, such as colds, flu, or urinary tract infections, may signify a weakened immune system or underlying health condition. Number 10. Abnormal menstrual changes. Irregularities in menstrual cycles, including changes in flow, duration, or associated pain, could be indicative of hormonal imbalances or reproductive health issues. Number 11. Breathing difficulties. Persistent shortness of breath, wheezing, or coughing may suggest respiratory issues, allergies, or cardiovascular problems. Number 12. Cognitive changes. Memory loss, confusion, or difficulty concentrating may be signs of various conditions, including stress, anxiety, or neurological disorders. Number 13. Mood swings. Sudden and extreme changes in mood or persistent feelings of sadness or anxiety may indicate mental health issues or hormonal imbalances. Number 14. Changes in vision. Blurred vision, sudden visual disturbances, or eye pain may be indicative of eye problems or underlying health conditions such as diabetes. Number 15. Unexplained bruising or bleeding. Easy bruising or unexplained bleeding may suggest problems with blood clotting, platelet disorders, or underlying vascular issues. Number 16. Joint stiffness. Persistent stiffness, swelling, or pain in the joints may be a sign of arthritis, autoimmune disorders, or other inflammatory conditions. Number 17. Heart palpitations. Irregular heartbeats, chest pain, or palpitations could be a sign of cardiovascular issues, anxiety, or hormonal imbalances. Number 18. Frequent headaches. Persistent or severe headaches may be a symptom of various conditions, including migraines, tension headaches, or underlying health issues. Being attuned to these signs and seeking timely medical attention when needed is crucial for maintaining overall well-being and addressing potential health concerns before they escalate. Thanks for watching. Click the thumbs up button if you like this video and don't forget to subscribe.